Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to give you idea that how I can replace and remove and disassemble these Toyota Corolla cars or Toyota Camry cars gearstick cables. And this job starts so that when we are in engine bay, there is small metal pin in these areas, and now I have removed these pins, and after that these both cables opens nicely. They can be a little bit stuck in that way. Then we have second step in here, and these plates what are in there. And here we have really two plates what are in here. Now I have removed those plates, but we can pull out this in here, and after that this cable opens, and this small plate demonstrates this plate in here, and my plates are now away, but in that way this cables opens in this area. And then we can go to cabin area. In cabin area we have this gear stick in here, and we have to take these console parts away, and then there is 4 bolts, and after that we can look in this gear stick bottom area. We can look really in this down area, and in here we take this connector away in that way, and then this up connector away in that way, very nicely. And then after that we clip these cables away in this way, and now our gear stick cables, they are free. Excellent. And there are those both cables, and they are really different, they are not similar, and they are really well made gear stick cables. Excellent engineering. Here are these gearbox engine parts, this area.